This puzzle is called Pocket Aquariums by AnalyticalNinja, continuing their series of 4x4 puzzles. Let's take a look at the rules. Oh, I got it from the Sudoku testing submissions channel on the CTC community Discord. Let's take a look at the rules. Each cage is also an aquarium. Digits can repeat within cages. I skipped a line. Each cage is also an aquarium. Okay. Water fills cages from the bottom up. Digits in water cells are greater than Digits in water cells have to be greater than all the digits within the air cells of a cage. See if I think I understand that. So if this is, let's say we find out that this is a 2, then this would have to be greater than this number. So it would have to be a 3 or a 4. Then if we found out that this was a 3, this would have to be a 4. Each cage is with at least one row of water and one row of air. I said that backwards somehow. Okay, so we couldn't have no water. There's at least some water in here. What? Oh. There's at least some water in here, and there's at least some water in here, but it could be, this could have 2 levels of water. Theoretically. Okay, I think that's going to take a second to wrap my head around, at least parts of it. Yeah, I'm going to put a link to the puzzle down in the description if you want to give it a try. These puzzles aren't typically too difficult, mainly because 4x4 puzzles can't be that difficult. There's only, 4 options in each cell, so you can normally figure out something pretty quickly because there's just not too many options. But yeah, let's give this a try. So there's at least one row of air and one row of water. That means that this is definitely water, these are definitely water, and these are definitely water. This one could be water, but we don't know. And these are definitely not water. And this is definitely not water. Okay. So these must be 2, 3, or 4. Because there's a minimum of a 1 here. And I guess this couldn't be a 3. If this was a 3, this would be 4, and then this would have to be greater than 3. So this is just 1 or 2. But this could be a 2. If this was a 1, that would work. So this is just 2, 3, or 4. It doesn't even have to have a 4 in here. It could be 2 and 3 and a 1. Okay, but this cage is probably where I should have looked first. So we need 2 low digits and 2 high digits. That must be 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Because we can't repeat in a cage. Digits can't repeat in a cage, right? So if the blue has to be greater than all of the gray, which means that, yeah, okay, I'm just kind of going around in circles there, but I think that is true. So this is a 1 or a 2, just to finish the row. But this one is the interesting one. So this is a low digit, or I say low digits, but it has to be a minimum of a 3. So this must be a 3, because if it was a 4, then blue couldn't be any higher. So this is a 4. So this must be a low digit as well. So this is a 1 or a 2. We have a 1-2 pair looking down. So this is not a 2, and we actually have a 4 in the row. So this is going to figure itself out pretty quickly from here. That was really interesting. I like thinking about that. It reminds me of an old puzzle type. I don't remember if there was Sudoku involved in it, but it was on CTC, a couple years ago probably. And I don't remember what it was called, but it was similar to this, with like boxes that filled up partially with water, but and like I don't remember the specifics of it, but like it was similar to this, where like this row couldn't be partially filled with water. Um, like each row, at a time as you fill up cages, each row had to be filled with water. I don't remember what the restriction on it was. I don't remember how to find it. Maybe I could go looking, but see if I could find those. But it was like this anyway. I really enjoyed that. Thank you, Analytical Ninja, and thank you for watching.